Birds. Birds are the only animals with feathers. Birds have wings. So, most birds can fly. Peacock. This is a peacock. The peacock is our national bird. Duck. This is a duck. Duck gives us eggs. Hen. Here is a hen. Hen also gives us eggs. Pigeon. This is a pigeon. In olden days, people used pigeons to carry letters. Crow. This is a crow. Crow is in black color. Cock. This is a cock. Cock is a male hen. Parrot. We can see a parrot here. Parrot is a beautiful bird. Sparrow. This is a sparrow. Sparrow is a small bird. Crane. This is a crane. Crane has a long beak. Owl. This is an owl. Owl can see in dark only. Ostrich. This is an ostrich. Ostrich cannot fly at all. Eagle. Here is an eagle. Eagle can fly high in the sky. Vulture. This is a vulture.